Craving some Middle Eastern pies? Open faced, closed, but you've got no time to proof the dough? I've got your back. Today is part 1 of a series of Middle Eastern pies we're going to be doing, a super short series. So we're going to start with the dough. It's very, very easy. It needs only a total of 30 minutes proofing time, 20 initially and then 10 minutes. And then we start shaping, we start topping, we start filling, and we bake. That's it. It's done. So the first thing we're going to do is mix a little bit of the flour, the yeast, the salt, the sugar, the warm milk, and the warm water, and mix it all up. This is going to be our starter. Squash any big lumps you see, mix it all well, and then leave it aside for the yeast to work for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we add the rest of the flour and the olive oil and mix it with our fingertips. Bring it all together into a dough. Knead it a couple of times in the bowl itself just to bring it all together. And then we tip it all out onto a floured surface. You can also use oil if you prefer, instead of a sprinkle of flour. Tip it all out and knead the dough for 5 whole minutes. If you're using a food processor, just do it for 2 minutes, not a problem. Give it a good knead. And now we're going to pinch little balls of it to make our little meat pies. If it makes the job easier, break your dough into 2 and then roll it up into a sausage shape and pinch out little balls. Or if you're making bigger meat pies, then you want slightly bigger balls. And this is all we do. Pinch it all out to roughly the same shape and then smooth them all out. Form little balls from the pinched out dough. Place it to one side and cover it with a damp tea towel. Now you're going to leave it to rest for 10 minutes to allow the gluten to relax so that you can actually flatten and shape it. This is our recipe today. And there we go. I told you it was easy. I told you it was quick. It's soft, it's stretchy, and it's open to interpretation. So you want the base a little crispy? No problem. Just cut down a little bit on your milk or cut it out altogether and sub with a little bit more water. It's freezer friendly, perfect for topping, for stuffing. You can make Sfeeha, you can make Fatayer, you can even make manakeesh with this dough. Want to make it slightly different? Add some herbs or some spices. Add some za'atar to the actual dough itself for a little bit more kick. So go ahead and make it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that jazz. Share it with someone who's going to enjoy this recipe. Turn your notification bell on so you know when that Sfeeha recipe comes up. Enjoy. I shall see you guys real soon.